So now we have access to our list, and now we can like do stuff with the balls. So maybe what I want to do now is maybe I will make a little spot on top of the paddle, and then if we like click, we can like fire them off. So I don't know. I mean, this isn't a fully fleshed out game, but let's see. So I'm going to create an empty child, and we will make a little spot on top of it, put it up just a little bit, and then we can name this like fire location. Cool. And then we go back to our code, and if we click the mouse, so if input dot get button down, or get mouse button down, mouse button 0 or fire 1. So if we click the mouse, then let's choose a random ball from the list and fire it up from the paddle. So we want to get a random ball equals random dot range between 0 and the length of the list, which is balls count. And then we will basically, we're going to have to make a function to do this, so we'll make a void shoot the ball, and then we'll say shoot the ball. We will say shoot the ball, and we'll give it the random ball number. Okay, so first what we want to do is take that random ball, so we'll say balls at spot B, and we will move its position equals the firing position. So let's get that public transform fire location trans dot, that's a position. So we'll move it first, and then don't forget all of your parentheses. I guess get mouse button wants a number instead of an integer string. Okay, so our ball manager, we need to tell it what the fire location is, so we'll give it the fire location. Okay, so when we click the mouse button, it's going to choose a random number that is between 1 and the length of the list, and then we will say, okay, shoot the ball that's at that number. So to shoot the ball, we're going to take it out of the bucket and put it above the paddle. We will change its velocity, so we'll say balls B dot we have to get its rigid body, get component, rigid body 2D dot velocity equals, we'll say new vector 2, and we'll say just a little bit random in the X and the Y. Random range, we'll say like -1 to 1, and then the Y will be like 20. We'll see if that's enough. So shoot it up in the air, and then we want to remove it from the list. So we'll say balls dot remove, and then we'll say balls. And that should be good. So save. So once we shoot it, we want to remove it from the list, so we no longer are talking to it. All right, here we go. Unity. So if we go here, first we collect. Collect. Nice. Oh, I got 13 this time. I can still change their color, and if I click, I think 10 is probably too much, but every time I click, notice how one comes out of the bucket.